So what does an everyday, like if I go to boot camp, like what does an everyday in the life look like?
Yeah, I mean, I think it depends from boot camp to boot camp. This isn't so much the case now, but there are some boot camps that are in person and then others that are online. And then within those boot camps, to the online ones, there's usually two options where you can have what's sometimes referred to as an immersive program, where it's like full time, and then maybe one that's part time, right? If you're not wanting to quit your job and you're doing it
Hmm.
on the side. So it depends where you're looking at. But let's say that you're going to a full-time boot camp. Normally what happens is you have a really clear structure, just like a regular education setting where there's lessons that are taught and then you'll code. Depending on the boot camp, you might code with peers or by yourself and learn lessons as you go through. And the lessons all build on top of one another and then ultimately culminate in some projects. And that's really where you'll build your relevant experience, what you can speak to and use as your portfolio when you're in your job search. And then depending on how, and normally if it's a full-time program, you're in school 8 hours a day. And then
Hmm.
there's additional learning outside of that, depending on how much more you want to get involved or how deep you want to go.